2. So guys, this is Victor. Welcome back for another Autocross video. It's first ever season of Autocross, where today we are here at the Valley West Mall, where today we actually install a new front splitter onto the WX. Carbon fiber is 3-piece, so it's been pretty great so far. Like, we have a lot of great experience with the front splitter. It actually improved a lot, so I mean, hoping to see a lot more we can do with this car. I find current point that is doing it. Was pretty like crazy. We had like great like finishing like runs. I mean, the hard part was to come to a complete stop at the finish. I mean, it was not as tough, but hopefully there's some improvements we could possibly do with my WX. Is pretty much like resetting to like adjusting a tune to where you let off the gas, you try to apply the brakes. it responds a bit more. That's one of the things that I think rare issues with the engine, like the exhaust, like the smoke coming out of it. We're not sure if either it's a turbo hose, like split it, or whatever it is. So we can get that thing fixed. And this race is actually for Ken Block after he passed away. So this is all for him. So yeah, the first play did super great, and it handled very well with come through aerodynamics. Best highlight of today is there was one of the people who watched the autocross actually wanted to ride along with me in a WX. So if you want what that is like, play a little clip. That was pretty sure a great experience to have someone at least get a chance to ride off me in the WX. So yeah, hopefully we can see more that want to get ride along, or maybe sometime in the future. That's all we have for today's video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all next time.